Welcome to the introduction to UAV/RPAS systems. My name is Anna. I'll be your virtual trainer. This is a preview of our 14-part online RPAS ground school course. In this chapter, we will be exploring the following topics: the definition of a UAV, a brief overview of the Canadian aviation regulations, and the various types of RPAS. A UAV, or unmanned aerial vehicle, is an aircraft that operates without a person on board. It can be controlled remotely or autonomously from a location outside the aircraft. As an air vehicle, it is a powered flying machine that encompasses a variety of forms, including aeroplanes, helicopters, multirotors, and airships. The versatility of UAV allows them to serve a wide range of applications, from aerial photography and mapping to disaster relief and military operations. When we discuss drones or UAV, unmanned aerial vehicles, the term used by Transport Canada is RPAS, which stands for Remotely Piloted Aircraft Systems. Essentially, an RPAS is an aircraft that is controlled by a pilot who is not on board but operates it remotely from the ground. The system consists of the drone itself, the remote control station, and the communication links that enable the pilot to control the drone. An RPAS is not a balloon, rocket, or kite. It's a type of aircraft, like a small plane or helicopter, that's remotely controlled by someone on the ground. In Canada, there are specific rules and regulations in place for flying these drones to ensure the safety of everyone in the airspace as well as people on the ground. The new Canadian Aviation Regulations, CARS, for RPAS that came into effect in June 2019 specifically apply to small remotely piloted aircraft, SRPA. An SRPA is defined as a remotely piloted aircraft with a maximum takeoff weight of at least 250 grams, but not more than 25 kilograms. These regulations were introduced to ensure the safe and responsible use of drones within the specified weight range in Canadian airspace. By defining the scope of SRPA, the regulations aim to provide clear guidelines for drone operators, ensuring that both manned and unmanned aircraft can coexist safely in the sky and minimizing risks to people on the ground. There is a wide variety of different types of UAV, unmanned aerial vehicles, or RPAS, remotely piloted aircraft systems, each with unique characteristics and capabilities. Some of the most common types include fixed-wing UAV. These resemble traditional airplanes with a rigid wing structure. They are known for their long flight times, high speeds, and ability to cover large distances. They're often used for mapping, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Multirotor UAV. These are the most common type of consumer and commercial drones. They typically have 4, 6, or 8 rotors, and their design allows for precise hovering and maneuverability. They're ideal for aerial photography, videography, and inspections. VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing UAVs. These drones combine the features of fixed-wing and multirotor aircraft. They can take off and land vertically like a multirotor, but can transition to forward flight like a fixed-wing UAV. This provides the advantages of both types, making them suitable for various applications, such as long-range surveillance and cargo delivery. Single-rotor helicopter UAVs. These are similar to conventional helicopters, with a single large rotor and a smaller tail rotor for stability. They offer longer flight times and higher payloads compared to multirotor drones, but are generally more complex and harder to operate. Hybrid UAVs. These drones incorporate features from various types of UAV, resulting in unique capabilities. For example, some hybrid UAV may use a combination of electric and combustion engines for extended flight times and range. Each type of UAV/RPAS serves different purposes and has specific advantages depending on the intended application, such as agriculture, search and rescue, surveying, or recreational use. In recent years, the multirotor UAV has experienced the most significant growth among all types of UAV. Thanks to advancements in technology and decreasing prices, multirotor UAV have become increasingly accessible to the general public. This has led to a surge in popularity among hobbyists and businesses alike. Many of you taking this course are likely interested in flying a multirotor aircraft, as they offer excellent stability, maneuverability, and ease of use. Their ability to hover in place and perform intricate movements makes them ideal for various applications, including aerial photography and inspections. As multirotor UAV continue to gain traction, it's essential to learn the proper techniques and follow regulations to ensure safe and responsible operation in shared airspace. Due to the diverse range of UAV types in operation, there is a wide variety of designs, levels of sophistication, flight controls, sizes, and other features. For example, military UAV can be extremely sophisticated, essentially functioning as real aircraft with a cockpit on the ground rather than in the aircraft itself. This course, however, will primarily focus on the most common types of RPAS that civilians typically fly. These systems, which are often smaller and less complex than their military counterparts, are widely used for applications like aerial photography, mapping, inspections, and recreational purposes. By concentrating on these types of RPAS, the course aims to provide relevant and practical knowledge for a broad range of users, ensuring safe and responsible operation in shared airspace. Thank you for checking out this brief preview, which we hope has provided useful insights into the content and presentation of our course. The course contains hours of video presentation content that will prepare you for the Transport Canada Advanced Pilot Certification exam. To purchase the online ground school, please visit our website at www.candrone.com and navigate to the training section.